So we have French toast on the menu today, so let's go. So me, I love French toast. Like if I'm going out for brunch or breakfast, that is one of my go-to meals. So you want to start off with heavy cream. If you don't have heavy cream, you can use milk. However, heavy cream is just more thicker, so it's not as loose as milk. And I'll take 1 egg, and I like to sprinkle cinnamon, a dash of some nutmeg, and vanilla extract to give it that nice flavor. And then I usually add in honey jack. Oh my gosh, you can add in honey jack or some rum. You can't go wrong. So that's a secret ingredient of mine. You can't go wrong with adding some rum or any dark liquor into this batter. Okay, so we're gonna mix up that batter, and this is gonna be where we dip our bread in. Now I like to use French bread. I like to use French bread. I think it's challah bread, and freak, it's another one, brioche. I just like that nice airy. It's like super soft. I love it. I love French bread. So I'm just gonna cut a few slices. This is not like regular bread where it's kind of like a little bit thick in the middle. It's very airy and very light. So now you want to go ahead and take it to the stove. So butter up your pan, and I like using this pan for my breakfast because I can add in multiple items on this pan and cook it all at the same time. So I'm going to go ahead and dip the bread into that nice batter. And we just let this cook, I'm going to say for about 3 to 5 minutes on each side. I have the flame on a medium heat. Another little tip that you can do with your bread, if you have the time, you can just place your bread in the freezer. It gives it more of that nice stale bread. Like, I can't really explain, but you really want to kind of use stale bread, cold bread, because the stiffness in the bread just absorbs the batter. So yep, that is a little hint. And I like my French toast to be like nice and crispy and toasty. So now that they are like how I like it, we are going to remove these bad boys off of the stove and get into the rest of our breakfast. And I'm just going to be scrambling up some eggs to go along with my French toast. I like to eat eggs with bacon when I have my French toast, and a cup of fruit. So watch me go ahead. So that is all, folks. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's super easy to make, and go ahead and like this video. And if you're on Instagram, go ahead and follow my cooking page, Dash of Blanco with 2 O's, and I'll see you in my next video.